Alright everyone, so in the previous video what we did was we got the start game sprite to broadcast a start game message whenever any key was pressed. But what we haven't done yet is set up the other sprites to receive that message. So go to Wizard, and we left Start Wizard hanging here, you might recall. So now grab an event. We're now gonna hook that up to the code that we need to. So it's when I receive start game, not start program. When I receive start game, the wizard starts. Similarly, when we go to Ghost, we've got start Ghost here, but that needs to happen at a certain time. So when I receive start game, for this one I didn't leave a block already there, so I've got to pull it out. Start Ghost. So when you press any key to start, it's going to send this signal to the wizard to, hey, start the game. It's going to send a signal to the ghost, hey, start the game. Lightning doesn't need to be set up for that, because lightning only activates when the wizard activates it. Game over. When I receive start program, it says hi, but I also want it to hide when it receives start game. So events, when I receive start game, and then looks, hide. Whoops, too far. And the same for this. Start game, well, this has the graphics, press any key to start. Now, here's a little bit different, because instead of receiving, it's also the start game is the piece of code that broadcasts the start game message. So we don't need to do a when I receive for this. We can just do a hide. And we can just stick it under there. So that's a little bit different. And the Ghost Mansion, we'll do that when I receive. Where is it? When I receive start game. Then again, we want this text to disappear during the game, so it's just going to be hide. Okay, so we did a lot to kind of re-engineer the beginning of the game, so there's a lot that could have gone wrong, but let's check it out and let's see what happens. So press flag. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working. That's not really unexpected, because we did so many changes that a lot of things could go wrong. Normally, that's why I like to kind of do a test after every little change, but it was a little bit difficult in this case. So let's see what's going on. Or maybe it's just me that's confused, because this is what's supposed to happen in the beginning. I press the flag, Ghost Mansion appears, press any key to start. I'm going to press any key. Whoops. Oh, it worked. Okay, so let's okay, you can die, and I'm going to try and end the game. So I'm going to let it ghost get the better of me. Okay, now I wanted the press any key to start to reappear, but I'm going to try pressing any key anyway, and it restarts. Okay, good. So that works. So go back to start game, and add an event here. When I receive game over, looks show. Alright, let's try it again. Press the key to start, press the key. I'll let the ghost get the better of me. Okay, press any key to start. I'll press a key. So good. So that works. So press any key reappeared at the end of the game, which is what we wanted it to do. Okay, press any key to start. Okay. Now what I wanted I'm actually going to be experimenting now. 1, 2, 3 experiments. I'm pressing another key, G, pressing H. Okay, the reason I'm doing that is I don't want the game to start. Okay, that was a bit weird. What just happened then? Okay. I'm worried that if I press any key during the middle of the game, will it restart the game? I tried to avoid that happening. So I'm going to test that. 3, 2, 1, pressing Q. It's not restarting the game. Good. 3, 2, 1, pressing W. It's not restarting the game. Good. So it looks like the press any key works when the game's not on. It starts the game, and it doesn't work when the game is already started, which is exactly what we want. So it looks like everything's working, although I saw something weird a moment ago. I don't know how to recreate it. Yeah, so everything appears to be working. There's a bug out there somewhere, but I can't find it. So I'll just keep my eyes out for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.